Having an early garage sale?
Feels like it.
It ain't good in there.
Yeah, there's a lot in there. A lot.
Thrifting ain't easy. I'm feeling creepy. Comping diapers on my eBay app.
You probably need to come look at it, because it's one of the situations that we ain't got a whole lot going on. So, all right, I will make my best judgment, and I guess I'll figure out how I'm going to get him out of here. All right. How are you?
What's up, man? This is where the sale is, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Feel free to go around.
Just like in the house too?
Yep.
Awesome.
There's only like 2 things that aren't for sale. No, everything else.
Okay.
There's a beautiful. I don't know what the fuck you took. What do you think? Is that cool for both of them, and then sort out what we got then, or? I think the one with the baskets will be a whole lot better investment, so we'll go that direction. All right, baby, I love you. Bye. This one? Sure. What I'll do.
It's cookie jar.
Do it now. There you go. You got them? Hand that to Dad? No, the other. Thanks, my buddy. No, I'm good with that one. Which one is that one here?
Is that me?
I don't know that gentleman's name, sir. I don't know his name, buddy.
Anthony.
I'd say Anthony. Better introduce yourself. Who are you? Who are you? What's your name?
Is this one small?
Atticus, knock it off. You know what your name is. You are a much deeper diver than I am. I ran through the house in the
Look,
curtain.
look like.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
These.
But if you know anything about antiques, you might run into something in there that's worth money.
Well,
I
I
just
have
don't know jack about antiques, so I didn't want to take a whole lot of time.
an antique piece that might be worthwhile. Hi, how are you?
Good. Be careful, but you can go in every room.
Okay.
There's 2 other bedrooms, and there's a patio out there, and
Oh, okay.
there's some patio furniture, and
Cool.
I say if you just pay $5, take it. here.
Okay. It's like your profession, huh? With the GoPro?
Oh yeah, yeah.
That's all you do, huh? Just going around looking for stuff?
That's all I do. It's pretty hard in the winter time, so it's nice when these things start popping up.
Good. Figure out which freezer do you want. Let's put it down. Put it down, please. That's a good thing.
VHS.
Honestly, like, you've got our credit card on file.
go to Highway 40.
Okay, what'd you say?
I said, included in here.
Jeff got someone down there
Yeah.
a few weeks ago, and yeah. So let's feel free to do your thing.
Okay.
Is there anything you need from me?
As long as we get power, which we're inside, so
We've got power. Power was turned on Monday,
okay.
so you should be good. If you need anything, let me know.
Okay, that's cool.
Michael,
Just I don't care. Just do it.
$20
Whatever it is,
for
do it.
Okay.
All right. I got these two in that box that I have outside.
Okay, cool. How much you want?
$25.
Yep, done.
25.
You're the man.
Awesome. Thanks, man.
Appreciate it. Mom, I'll give you money.
Okay. Put in your pocket.
Having an early garage sale.
Feels like it.
It ain't good in there.
No, there's a lot in there. A lot.
Do you? I'm like here.
All right, so we're back from that sale. I'm guessing that was kind of like a estate clean out of some sort. Dude just trying to raise a little money before he has to just put everything in that dumpster. It was a mess in there. You had to dig. I feel like I came out okay with a few things. One of the first sales of the season, so I didn't want to leave empty-handed. I was just excited that a sale was going on, and there's more scheduled. So garage sale season is starting early around here this year. Right, Elliot?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi, guys.
Hi, guys. So I probably could have gotten this stuff cheaper because he had no emotional attachment whatsoever, but I just tried to throw out a fair price of 25, and of course he jumped on it. Probably could have said 15 or 20 and it would have been the same thing, but I'm okay with what I got for 25 bucks. So real quick, let's just take a look at it. Got this nice little Landshire clock here, electric clock I plugged in. It works. It's pretty cool because it still has the tags on it. This will do pretty good in the booth, I'm sure. It's porcelain, so I don't really want to ship it or anything, but I'm sure I could get at least 20 bucks in the booth for that. That's okay, buddy. This is probably my favorite thing I got, this old display cabinet here. Nice and portable, but someone for sure would want this, so I'm going to pop this in the booth too. I'm guessing probably 20-25 bucks. So this will probably get our money back, hopefully. I'm sure it won't last long. It's in really good condition. The shelves are in there, the latch is there, the wood's not all scratched up or anything. So I feel pretty good about that piece right there. One thing I've been shying away from recently is blank media, just because it's not worth as much as it used to be, and it takes up a lot of room. I felt like I wasn't finding a whole lot, and I kind of reverted to my old ways, and I'll be able to do something with this. Might just throw them on Amazon or something. That's what I used to do. It's probably the easiest route to get rid of them quick. Grab two of these little ornate brass frames. They're made in Italy. The little sticker says Cheswick, Pennsylvania, action, handcrafted in Italy. Looks like someone was selling them for about $3 a piece at some point. I think they're worth more than that though. But there's two of those, and I just think they have a nice little style, and they'll look good on the website, I think. Vintage perfume bottle.
no markings or anything. Looks like there used to be a sticker on it, so it was kind of pretty. So I grabbed it. Looks like it's still getting air, so that'll probably go on the website as well. Got 3 of these folding fans. Nice floral design. They're in good condition, ready to rock. So grab 3 of those too. Thought this little Sears catalog was kind of neat. It says cheapest supply house on earth. Our trade reaches around the world. Consumer's Guide, fall 1900. Could it really be from 1900? That's pretty crazy. It's not actually from 1900. It's from 1970. So that's pretty cool. Grab that right there. There was a lot of books and stuff. A lot of the books were in horrible condition. All the Bibles were just in really bad condition, so I didn't end up grabbing any of them, unfortunately. The last thing I did get was this little cameo portrait here. It says a cameo creation, Mary by C.E. Leslie, R.A. Thought that was pretty neat. Nice and small, but in good condition, so that'll definitely go on the website as well. So yeah, not a bad little haul for 25 bucks. The place was only like a mile from my house too, so I didn't waste a lot of time either. And like I said, the season is just beginning, so hopefully it only gets better from here. But that is all I got for you this time, guys. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching the video. But until next time, stay safe, stay healthy. Love ya. Bye. When they hear that cha-ching and they all look at me, I guess they'll know I'm buying this crap.